All right, let's talk cash. 5 giants, 5 steps. And you're about to see how to turn stuff into money. Step 1, Poshmark. Your golden closet. Fashion, shoes, beauty, everything you own that's ready for a new home is money waiting to happen. Style meets cash. Step 2, eBay, the global auction giant. Sneakers, collectibles, electronics. If it exists, someone wants it. Place your items here and watch the bids do their magic. Step 3, Amazon, the king of online selling. Millions of shoppers, super fast shipping, worldwide reach. Selling here is like opening a store in the busiest marketplace on earth. Step 4, TikTok Shop, the viral selling giant. Post a video and your product can blow up overnight. It's entertainment that pays. Literally. Step 5, Etsy, the creative giant. Handmade, vintage, and unique items shine here. If you've got something special, Etsy turns it into a small treasure trove. There it is. 5 giants, 5 steps. Buy smart, sell smarter, cash in, repeat. Let's get it done.